words stronger than your mind. Gotta watch for what you said, he always lurking from behind. I know you look up at the skies, pretty lights up in the air. The water flowing, sun is shining, but I still look in despair. I look at humans in the system and then question if it's fair. All these children that keep crying, niggas dying up in here. Every day I wake up, think about that like disparity. I want questions, answers, but it seems I won't get clarity. People think this life shit is a game, that shit scaring me. Wanna away just from the truth, they think it's conspiracies. Niggas tryna pull the gun, why don't we just talk it out? How we come from Malcolm X to making niggas exit out. Keep on preaching negativity like we gon' make it out. We cause the pain us to each other and then we think it's culture now. We hunt our own self, trauma passing like a blunt rotation. Then we hide our feelings, try to cough it up with medication. Niggas hate on you, then they think about premeditation. While we are so aggressive, the irony, cause I get aggravated. From the inside, I'm looking to the outside. I see destruction coming from the future, from my past life. Hollows, it's so lost, you think you finding shit. Nigga, you ain't finding nothing, I can tell you wanna quit.